Alright guys, a video 3 days in a row is crazy. As you can tell, my smoke detector is going off, so that means I need to change the battery, but last time I showed you how to change the battery, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. I'm not going to actually replace it, but I'm going to show you how to by taking it off and putting it back on, which is the same thing as taking it down and putting a new one on. As you can see, I have some tape here because I absolutely hate the light while I'm trying to sleep. So what you're going to want to do is just twist it clockwise, and then there's going to be a little tab right here, and you're just going to pinch the edges of it, and then you are going to wiggle it out just like that, and it's going to look like this little triangle shape. As you can tell, the batteries don't stop chirping. So real quick, I'm just going to replace my batteries. This one luckily does not have a little thing. Sometimes there's little wires that you have to clip on to the battery. This one just sits in there, which is nice. And then once you go ahead and replace yours with your new one, if it's old, there's a certain life on these. I think it's like 7 to 10 to 15 years. Don't quote me on that because I don't remember. But if you're watching this video, you need to replace yours. Then yours is already dead. So anyways, you're going to reverse the process. You're going to take your device, line it back up, triangle on triangle. Basically, the one prong on top is going to be the first. You're going to line up the tip with the one hole right here, and then go ahead and just push it on, and then give it a little test, because if you don't, it might fall out. So you're going to want to hear it snap in. But mine is not snapping in, so usually you'll hear it clicking, but mine is not. So you might have to push it in. I don't know, maybe it just sits there. Mine does not seem to be clicking in, but you should hear a click. Maybe I damaged mine, but anyways, you're just going to want to push that up there. Make sure you're going to want to hear it click. If it doesn't click, just push it in real good and then shove it up there. It's not going to go anywhere. And then you're going to counterclockwise, just like that, and you'll be good to go. And if you need to put new tape on yours to cover up the light, then go ahead and do that. But that's the quick and easy process right there. Mine just came out of the blue, started chirping out of nowhere, just really fast tonight. Luckily it wasn't when I was sleeping tonight, but anyways, that's the process. Hopefully that helped you out. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.